Well, hello and welcome back to Kenneth Boston Photographer, my little photography channel. Hope you're doing okay. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll tell everybody this. I thought today, recently I got some LED lights. I bought one of those Neewer kits from Amazon, and I bought this lighting kit, the P200 2.4G kit, and I thought we'd talk about that just a little bit. I turned my garage into my studio, but it's not an expansive studio. We're talking about only about 12 feet wide. It's a garage, and we got my depth, but I don't have to go out and rent a big old building right now, so that's okay. But I needed something that could light up my backdrops, and the people and everything, of course. And I was really struggling on how big, and all this kind of stuff, I go through all the same things, trying to decide, how us photographers are so picky about everything, and I kept reading and looking, and trying to figure out something I could get in there and, be on a budget, most photographers are not rich, as you know, and so I decided on this P200 kit, and, pretty good. My backdrop setup is all my backdrops go up to about 10 feet wide, and so I needed lights that could really pour it on, anybody in front of the backdrops, and keep my ISO as low as possible and all that kind of stuff, because the overhead light is not very strong anyhow at all. And so anyhow, I decided on this P200 kit. It's the I'll show you here. This has got the barn doors, which I really like the barn door look, because you can change the throw of the lights really, really easy. And and it's metal. This newer stuff is metal. And the cool thing about this kit, here, let me get this battery back in. I am also very much a location photographer, and so I like to go out, not just be in the studio. I like to go out, and so what I was looking for is not only the lights, I needed something that could work on battery and just normal electricity, and this kit has it all. And I think on Amazon it's only $169, $79 or something like that. But you get a good light. Turn this on here a second. You get, look at that. Woo, woo. You can go from 32 to 5600 Kelvin, which obviously I'm like most of us, I'm going to throw as much light out there as I can, unless I just need the low light. And I like the, you really pick up the intensity on it. But yeah, 3200 to 5600 Kelvin is really good. Let me show you this while I got it up. It will take 2 batteries, or you can plug in, where's my plug? Oh, or you can plug in, for your normal wall outlet. And what I discovered, like I said, on location, my normal shoot is about 2 hours or so. So I needed to make sure my batteries, I could go from about 2 to 4 hours. And that's just about what this kit here would do. I haven't tested it to the limit yet, but with 2 of these, and these are pretty universal, the MP F550, and I know they make some thick ones that look just like it, but these are real standard batteries for all kinds of lighting. But you get the kit, you get 4 of these, and I'll show pictures here in just a little bit. You'll see back behind me, you'll see pictures. But you get 4 batteries. Like I said, I haven't tested it to the limit. I would think about 4 hours is all you're ever going to get. I've used them 2.5 hours several times already. But like I said, I needed something where I could go on location. If I'm going to shoot 2.5 hours on location and where I need the lighting, you know, I don't always need the lighting, but it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it, right? That's kind of how it works. You get 4 batteries. You get 2. They're not heavyweight stands or anything like that. You get 2 of the stands that's got the little plastic knobs, and but they're heavy enough. They're plenty adequate. Now, Neewer makes sure that everything you got you can use, and you'll probably be able to use it for a long time. But 4 batteries and 2 stands. You get your cords, and you get about 10 feet of cord from where it goes into your back of your light coming out. And the way I do in the studio is, you know, obviously I got lights left and right, and I make my wires, my cords come out and meet. I got a little plug-in thing that's got the multiple. It's got like 3 or 4. It's got like 3 or 4 prong adapter, and I can just plug into it. Okay, no problems whatsoever. The only thing I can tell you that I really don't like, as far as, and it may come with all the newer kits, I don't know. I'm not keen on the USB charger as much. I just kind of like to have a charger. I wish it just had the prongs would go into the wall, you know, just like on our camera chargers. But these work just fine. They work just fine, and they charge up just as fast, seemingly just as fast as a camera charger would. But the lights, you can look here, guys. You know, I could have got big lights, but I only have, like I said, I have 12 feet of width, and my backdrops are 10 feet wide, so I don't need gigantic lights. This right here is plenty adequate for that width. If I needed more light, I could do it, but you got to think about it. Light's light, so the throw from this small light is going to be just as bright as the one from the bigger lights. The lights are made real good. The barn doors are really handy. Now, maybe the only other gripe I have about this particular lighting kit is the little diffuser panel that sits in front of the lights. They come in and out pretty easy, but once everything's set up, no problems whatsoever. So if you're looking for, if you have a small place to shoot, you need good, adequate lighting. These things, they don't get hot. They're LEDs. They don't get hot. And you'll see that heat dissipates out of them really fast anyhow because of the way it's made. The Neewer stuff is really well constructed. I can't say enough for that. So think about this. You know, they have many kits. You know, Neewer and Amazon, they got tons of stuff. I just happened to pick this one. Thought I'd tell you a little bit about it, and I'll show you some good pictures. Like I said, they'll be back behind me when we get the video up. But Neewer products are fine, and hope you make an addition to your studio if you're thinking about getting some lights. This one right here works really fine, and like I said, this 10-foot, 12-foot width, it throws plenty of light, and I don't have any problems. If I have everything shut and just one little overhead light or whatever, I keep my ISO down low, and that's shooting with the APS-C camera. I shoot professionally with APS-C camera, so no problems, okay? But I want you to have a good day, and I want you to check these lights out. Like I said, the whole kit, you get a big old bag, you get, like I said, you get the batteries, you get the 2 chargers, you get all the cords. That way, if you're out on location, you got light for several hours. If you're in your studio, just plug everything in. Or like me, sometimes I shoot in a pavilion at a park, and we also, I can plug in right there and save my batteries. So you want that diversity. If you shoot on location, if you're a photographer that shoots on location, you need to have that diversity. So flash and have some good lights. And the whole kit, this Neewer kit, weighs about 15 pounds, so not so bad. And it even comes with sandbags if you need them. So anyhow, cool. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and go buy you some lights today. All right? We'll see you soon.